So I apologize for the lack of articulation in this outro, but it is 7:10 in the morning and I've been working on this since 5. But I just wanted to exit just saying a few words. My love for HardOps has never waned. I will always look at this product with the utmost pride and will always be optimistically looking forward to its future. There's not a single day that goes by where I don't wake up talking about how this tool can improve, be faster, work better, and be more informative when it comes to conveying information to users. I apologize for the lack of presence with my channel and the Hops Empire. I will definitely spend more time getting back to things. I apologize for that. I never wanted to let people think that I was disinterested or anything like that, but I was ending up in a cycle of negativity that was beginning to weigh on me heavily. So as a result, I did need to basically pull back and handle the administrative work of the tools of day-to-day tool maintenance and tool improvement, while also focusing on getting myself back to the nitty-gritty of what it takes to be a good modeler. Because modeling is, for one thing, is hand dexterity, but the other part is mental acuity and having a almost a type of purity of mind to be able to just sit at a computer for such an extended period of time and ignore the pains of your body while modeling. So the pains that come with making modeling easier brings its own pains with making modeling easier, and those are things that we also want to expand on and attempt to resolve. So this final model you see showing up is something called the Bot Leg 2.0, which is just a topological example that I was using to just kind of demonstrate a new tool that we're coming out with called InSolve. It should be coming out probably around the time that you'll be seeing this video. If not, it'll be coming out within a couple of days of it. But basically, it is our topological goals expanded into its own toolkit, and I'm very excited for it. So while the model you're seeing isn't necessarily the greatest model ever, it does represent a new turning point for me in my own modeling, in where I'm going to try to come back and demonstrate a more sane form of modeling that can result in professional notoriety and progression in this field that we see that's slowly diminishing over time with the rise of AI and the trivialization of our own skills. But I do see an opportunity for us to get in one more time and just really solve this geometry in a way that solves it for all of time. And I want to create a tool that does that. So I am excited to be announcing it here, but I will be coming back with a special video on that. In fact, paused on my channel waiting to be made public is an 8-hour video of me just talking about the tool, but I felt that that might be a little dramatic, so I'm going to try to bring it down to 20-30 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, to just really pitch what the idea is, and then from there we'll be able to go forward. But if you're sitting here listening to this meandering rant of me at the end and wondering why I'm showcasing this robot foot and talking about topology, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.